Hello everyone, welcome back to Automation Engineer channel. Today I will show you how to simulate the PLC with the PLCSim. And this is the project PLCSim 1 here. I will add one new device. Simatic S7-1200. Okay, I will check here. Okay. Okay, I will create one basic program for control the motor. Start. Okay, now I will connect to the PLCSim. We will click on the Start Simulation here. Okay, and this is the interface of the PLCSim. This is show the status of the PLC, and this is how we setting to connect the PLCSim. Type of PG and BC interface, we will select the PNIE. PG and BC interface, we will select the PLCSim here, and we keep the same, and we start search. Okay, so connect to the PLCSim. CPU command load start module finish. Okay, so now we will online the PLC. Go online and we start monitoring for the program, and we'll click on the switch to project view on the PLCSim. Okay, so this is the interface of the PLCSim version 15.1. We click on the new project, create. Okay, so we come to the sim table. Wait for it. Come to the sim table. We come to sim table 1. We right click and we select the load project task. The PLCSim will automatically load the task in the project. Okay, you can see the start, stop, and motor. Okay, so I will fork the start bit here from 0 to 1. This means I will set the start bit. We click here and you can see the stack equal 1 already, and we reset it. Okay, the stop the stop currently is 0, 4. I will set to 2. Okay, so it's done for the PLCSim simulation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.